In this hot and humid weather, what better than homemade chocolate ice cream? So today I'm going to show you how you can make rich, creamy and delicious chocolate ice cream without any ice cream maker and only with 3 ingredients. So please do try the recipe this way and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. My channel, all about easy to follow and easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. These are all the ingredients that we need to make the chocolate ice cream. Here I have 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 500 ml of heavy cream that I have chilled overnight. Now we are going to mix all of these ingredients. So here I have the sweetened condensed milk. To that I'm adding the cocoa powder and the vanilla extract. And now we will mix this really well together to make sure there are no chocolate lumps. So I've mixed the ingredients really well to make sure there are no lumps, and here is the condensed milk cocoa powder mixture. So next what we will do is we will whip the heavy cream. So here I have taken the heavy cream. Now what we are going to do is I'm using a beater, and with that I'm going to whip this at a low speed for 4 to 5 minutes, and then we will increase the speed and at a medium speed whip it again for about 7 to 8 minutes. So what we will see is initially it starts becoming frothy and then the texture changes to more stiff and creamy. So it's important to make sure we don't over whip the cream. So continue doing that till you get the texture. So first I'm going to whip this at a low speed. So I have whipped this at a low speed for about 5 minutes. Now as you can see, the texture, it's become frothy. Now what I'm going to do is I'll increase the speed to medium and continue whipping this for about 7 to 8 minutes till it becomes stiff and becomes a more creamy texture. It's been another 7 minutes since I've whipped this at a medium speed, and now you can see our texture is completely fine. It's not over whipped and it's nicely creamy and has that stiff kind of texture. So next what we will do is to this we will add our condensed milk cocoa mixture that we made before. So add all of this and mix this well together so that there are no lumps. So our ice cream mixture is now ready. One thing you can do is you can just cling wrap this itself to make it airtight and put it in the freezer for 12 to 15 hours, or you can choose a different airtight container and transfer the mixture there and chill it. So what I am going to do is I'm going to transfer this to another container and use that to set our ice cream. So I'm going to set the ice cream in this container. So I have chilled this container in the fridge. To this I'm going to transfer the mixture. So go ahead and transfer all of that. I have transferred the mixture in this container. So now I will cover this, so just making it airtight, and we will chill this in the freezer for 12 to 15 hours. So I have chilled the ice cream for about 15 hours now. So let's see how the ice cream has settled. So we can see the ice cream has settled really well. So we'll take a scoop of the ice cream and let's garnish this with some chocolate sauce, and also I'm using some chocolate sprinkles. So our homemade chocolate ice cream is now ready. You can see how rich, creamy it is. So hope you enjoyed the recipe, and thank you so much for watching my channel.